So these coordinates are just the neighborhoods of Portland, and the dots are actually public demolition permits that were issued over time. I sort of decided to start exploring what public data was available and what this meant in comparison to city and demographics. And there's lots of points, of course, but if you start clicking on the neighborhoods in QGIS, I sort of mapped things out, um, knowing a little bit about neighborhood demographics just casually. I was like, wow, this Lentz area, which is a little bit poorer neighborhood, has 190 demolition permits. And then the most was this Brentwood Darlington neighborhood with 221. And while I'm not, it's a little obvious that, like, okay, well, maybe they're tearing these houses in poor neighborhoods down for gentrification. Portland has a history of redlining, things like that. So then I sort of added the census block groups. So if I turn those on, you can sort of click and see the demographics of the area, because during our time at Hack Oregon, we sort of like found that whatever services and data that were available, if you sort of put them in relation to neighborhood and the demographics of those neighborhoods, hopefully you could find different issues or stories that come about. And as I was looking through this is mostly just practice as I get better. So I was like super excited how easy felt was, because as I was learning how to do this and Leaflet and QGIS, it was quite a bit harder. And when I was poking around, just sort of revisiting this map, I saw this persons below poverty line map, and it sort of also fits within the demolition map areas. Like, these are all just correlations, so I can't say story to story, like what causes what, but it's just an interesting way to start exploring and learning about the city.